Our next posture, a little restorative pose to get a little bit of a working on the hamstring, but it's more also getting a little traction on the neck. Yeah, so it's quite a nice, comfortable pose. We have to make sure that we have the prop that we're using, which is the belt, at the right length, so it is very comfortable, and then it becomes more of a restorative position. So let's have a look. It's not a real traditional restorative pose, but I like to do this one and stay in it a little bit longer for that nice relaxing effect. As I said, I particularly love it for the effect that it has on my neck, and like a position where we really want to get that release in the neck. It's good to stay in it for a longer period of time, and even for the hamstring as well. So we take the belt in a loop, and then we take the belt around the foot, and then we place the belt at the back of the head, at the base of the skull. Yeah, and so the head will lift off the floor, and then a counterbalance between the head and the foot, so you know the traction with the belt is again causing and maintaining a stability there, holding our head and our foot in that position and giving the neck a little bit of a traction and giving the hamstring a little bit of a stretch. And you just close the eyes and you relax. For some students, it may be a little bit uncomfortable to have the leg completely straight, so then we'll bend the knee, so maybe the straight leg on the ground, so bending your left leg, that's it, and we're holding like so. Good. Just bringing the foot. Also, even the leg that is in the air, there can be a little micro bend in this knee if it gets a little bit strong on the hamstring, because we don't want there to be any pressure on the hamstring in this position. It just needs to be relaxed. Okay, and that's our little restorative for our neck and our hamstring. Our next posture, restorative pose, is we're going to work with the shoulders and the upper back, and it's going to be a nice lying back supine position. And Nikhil, first of all, we're going to work with more of simply opening up the shoulders and also a little bit of the chest. And we're going to work with two bolsters. So we're placing the two bolsters on the floor, and we're having space between these two bolsters. So where the space is, this is where the shoulders are going to go in between the bolsters. And he's going to lie back with the middle and upper back on the bolster. The head is on the second bolster, and the shoulders are relaxing in between the two bolsters. Palms facing the ceiling, and the legs are just relaxed, like so. Okay, eyes closed. Again, it's a restorative posture. We're not actioning the muscles or in the body. The legs aren't being actioned, they're relaxed. He's letting the feet fall out to the side. And then I'm also going to place a little eye pillow, like so. And we're going to leave Nikhil there, and we're going to come over to Yaka. And we're also using two bolsters. And we're going to place them a little bit different. We're going to have one bolster like so, and the other bolster like so. And then Yaka's going to sit with her buttocks on the floor, and she's going to lie back. So we're getting a little opening with the chest, and the arms can relax down like so. So there's many different positions that we can use the bolsters to get an opening in the chest and the shoulders. Sometimes for some students, having the legs out straight is a little bit, after a while, a little bit uncomfortable on the lower back. So you simply have to bend the knees and have the feet on the floor. So Yaka, you can bend your legs. That's good. And again, that just releases the lower back. Okay.